Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5113 West Ridge Run in Canandaigua.
This is the ultimate designer showcase Canandaigua Lakeview Dream Home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This is grand and luxurious living. Imagine greeting family and friends in this two-story 19-foot ceiling foyer with crown molding, a palladium window, decorative columns, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the elegant formal dining room with a recessed ceiling with ambient lighting, crown molding, and wainscoting. A classic formal living room with recessed lighting, crown molding, and a bay window, all with an adjacent executive office with custom built-ins, a bay window, and an adjacent updated powder room.
This builder's model home, combined with thoughtful upgrades, truly impresses around every corner with the quality and chic design. Featuring the ultimate entertainer's dream kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, a tile backsplash, high-end stainless steel appliances, a pantry, a dry bar, granite countertops with a center island, a breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the spectacular morning room with a wall of windows, including transom windows and deck access with scenic elevated views. And the hallmark of this home, the two-story great room with crown molding, a signature palladium window, a gas fireplace with a decorative mantel, and French doors to the light and bright sunroom with a vaulted ceiling, tile floors, and deck access, all with first floor laundry and breathtaking elevated and lake views. The quality and exceptional living space continues with a finished walkout lower level, featuring a bonus room with recessed lighting, a gas fireplace, and private patio, a spacious bedroom, a full bathroom, and office with built-ins, plus a workshop and additional storage. This could be a great in-law suite.
The elegance continues to the second floor with a gorgeous staircase leading to the landing overlooking the foyer and great room, plus 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including a Jack and Jill setup, a guest suite with a private bathroom, and this luxurious owner suite with columns leading to the Lakeview sitting area, a recessed ceiling with ambient lighting and crown molding, 2 walk-in closets, scenic lake views, and a spa bathroom with heated floors, separate vanities, and stunning tile shower. What a great place to relax and unwind.
Enjoy this entertainment-sized deck with phenomenal views, with multiple sitting areas for guests and an awning for cooling shade, all overlooking the sprawling backyard, complemented with exquisite landscaping and stonework.
The exceptional quality and craftsmanship is evident in the details, with maintenance-free exterior, architectural detailing, which makes this truly a one-of-a-kind property with Canandaigua Lake views. This property has a premier location. Canandaigua Lake access is just steps away. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5113 West Ridge Run in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!